Good morning. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. Hope you have a great holiday season. And I want to remind you how we put out our automatic replies so that we aren't, first of all, bothered. And second of all, it is your time. Do not do anything with work. Anything. If you feel like doing, a little planning or something, make sure you schedule your time and you keep to it. I'm going to do 2 hours on Tuesday. That's it. You got to set those boundaries. Otherwise, you're going to find yourself quagmired. And then you're not going to be rested and ready for the long haul of the spring semester. All right, here we go. Spring. File. Automatic replies. And you're going to click on Send Automatic Replies, and you're going to hit Auto Send only during this time range, and you're going to I put tomorrow. I figure everybody will be out of here by 1 o'clock, and I have an appointment at 2:45, so I got to get out of here. And then we will, so that's when my messages will start, and they'll end January 3rd, Monday, at 8 o'clock, because I'll get here about 7:15, and then, they'll all be here for me. And then, again, I got to change this until January 3rd, 2022, and then do my outside organizations, January 3rd, 2022, and this is really the one that's important, because those people will email us. Then we hit OK, and then we go back to our email, and we're done. And that's how it is. And that's the way it should be. Remember, boundaries. Boundaries. Set those boundaries. We had to do a book study on that, so I'm pretty good at it. Setting those boundaries. Now, for you, there is a bunch of chili and soup down here, some cookies and good stuff. I am covering for Gannon, Godoy, Gorsuch, Gregg, and Valentine when they need it. Again, that's Gannon, Godoy, Gorsuch, and Gregg, and Valentine when they would like to come down, and they'll be getting an email from me. And then all the administrators and everybody, the counselors and everybody are around to contact their specific people to go cover so that they can come down and have some good food and partake in the voting. Again, have a great holiday and set those boundaries.